Hi everyone. My name is Prashant Bhargava, and I'm the engineering manager at Bigbasket for the platform team. And my team takes care of core underlying infrastructure such as Aerospike, Kafka, and many other systems. So, in this presentation today, we're going to talk about how Bigbasket utilizes Aerospike and many other things to provide the real time personalization for our users. So we'll go over the agenda very quickly. We're going to talk about the big basket overall. Then we're going to talk about some of our real-time business use cases. How has the big basket journey been with Aerospike been so far? Uh, then we're going to talk about Aerospike fitting in our real use cases in terms of solving them. And at the last, we're going to focus on user personalization with AI and Aerospike. At the last, we will also talk about some of our future directions that we are taking. Okay, moving on. So, folks who do not know about Big Basket in the audience, Big Basket is India's largest online supermarket and is part of Tata Group, which is a prestigious group known for their reputation in offering reliable and trusted service. I'll talk about some of our core business verticals that Big Basket has. So first, I'll briefly talk about BB Now, which serves our quick commerce market segment and promises 10 minutes delivery to our users. And next, which is our one of our biggest business vertical, is Big Basket slotted deliveries, where we allow the users to select slots of their choice, and it's delivered at the time of the choice. I'll also talk about briefly talk about some of our other business verticals, and by no means this is comprehensive. Very interesting ones are the Fresher stores. Fresher stores are offline physical stores, allowing the users to have an in-person experience. Next is BB Daily. BB Daily provides the users an experience to subscribe to some of their daily needed products like milk and getting it delivered every day or every other day, depending on their choice. BB Instant is our physical vending machines, which are installed in various apartment and commercial complexes, and gives you a wide variety of products to choose from. Moving on to the last one, BB Matrix. BB Matrix is our really interesting SaaS offering where we provide our esteemed partners with the order management system, transport management system, warehouse management system, and various other things where they have the product lines and we give them the backend services to run their operations. Talking about the scale of Big Basket, we stand at 50 plus million users, 8 lakh orders per day, and our systems currently are running at 4 million requests per minute. Talking about the geographical footprint in India, we are serving all the T1 and T2 cities, more than totaling over 100 cities across India. Additionally, Big Basket has extended its service to rural markets, covering more than 300 towns, making it accessible to a wider audience. Now, I'll talk about some of our real time business use cases. First, I'll talk about serviceability. So, serviceability is one of our core capability for the user, where depending on the user's location, is determined whether the location is serviceable and which user, depending on the user location, which stores are near to them. Next one is showing the latest SKUs and all of the stuff that comes with SKUs. depending on the user location. So this is very critical to our business. And the last is delivering a personalized experience for each user, like Smart Basket and recommended products for you. Now we'll talk about Bigbasket's data journey with Aerospike. We decided to move all our cash systems to Aerospike in 2016. And since then, it has been a really great and long journey with Aerospike, where we have been solved countless business use cases using Aerospike. Uh, However, we have been managing all our Aerospike cluster in-house since until last year and early this year, and that has taught us a lot about managing these clusters. But at the same time, we were missing out for on few key important things that I'll talk about a little bit later. So this year we moved from self-managed Aerospike to Aerospike Managed Cloud offering, which is called ACMS for short. And this gave us a really highly reliable platform caching layer at Bigbasket, where now we don't have to really worry about the stability of the overall system, and we can now start focusing on other fundamental aspects of overall solutioning. Now, after moving to ACMS, our shift focus has been shifted on the governance on top of ACMS. So things like making sure of security and making sure our users and services are using ACMS with the top-notch standards, which we were lacking in earlier days. Talking about the scale, uh, now we have billions of objects, uh, 450 450,000 reads per second, 30,000 writes per second. Now let's talk about how does Aerospike really fit into these real-time use cases. So when providing the serviceability to the users, it's critical that the user gets the desired results within few milliseconds. And without Aerospike, a system like Aerospike, this would have been not possible. So all our geo-searching data is and the serviceability is completely supported by Aerospike geo-searching capabilities. And also talking about SKUs, all our information related to SKUs, related to user, the serviceability area is stored completely in Aerospike, where data structures like Bitvector not only allows us to store all the SKU related information, but also allows us to run very efficiently, efficient storage wise, more than 80% less data if you use normal data structures to store your SKUs. Next is we also use Aerospike to store our user personalization data uh, after the recommendations are made. I'll talk about this in the upcoming slides as well. Okay, so now talking about the personalization for each user with AI and Aerospike. So it can't be emphasized enough that that for each user we want a best experience as part of Bigbasket. So to serve this need, we have core features called Smart Basket, where depending on the user's order history and the time when they bought, we create something called Smart Basket. We also have something called Recommended for You, where each user is recommended products based on the products that other people have bought and users' preferences as well. For the AI system, we use AWS Personalize, and we have a lot of in-house AI systems as well. Now, the thing about these AI systems is running inferences in real time costs a lot of money, and it's highly slow and inefficient. And that's where Aerospike comes in the picture, where we Aerospike becomes a critical component of this overall real-time personalization stack. So every time we make some predictions uh, for user personalization, we store them in Aerospike, and that allows us to achieve 90% cost savings and improve latencies from 200 millisecond to 2 milliseconds. So this is just mind-boggling. Where, as you can see, this not only improves the user experience, but also gives us tremendous cost savings plus improved latencies for a best user experience. Last, I want to focus on some of our future directions now that we have moved to ACMS. Uh, So Aerospike provides you with guarantees that no other systems are able to provide you. So uh, where you are able to store all your key values in persistent storage rather than in memory, and still be able to have really high performance that every app needs in today's world of sub milliseconds latencies at very high scale. So we have decided to move all our storage requirements from in memory to persistent in the future. For our SaaS business operations, we have realized that the current architecture will need to evolve, and we will move towards multi-cluster, multi-namespace strategy in the upcoming years. And we're going to have more and more focus on the governance initiatives, such as standardizing all our operations on top of Aerospikes uh, to provide the best experience for our engineering team at Bigbasket. Okay, so that pretty much covers everything that I wanted to share with you all. And thank you, everyone.